challenge also. All right, so Marcus, you know what I mean? Tonian, yes, and Kerryan. All right, so most vote. All right, social media challenge. Oh, this is social media challenge, right? I'm not sure if the confirm who gave the paper. Confirm who gave the paper. Brianna Morris. I'm not sure if the confirm with Bruce. Where social media is concerned. Most vote, it are two different something, right? Yeah, I don't have a separation right here. That's why I'm asking. Most vote goes to Brianna?
On social media.
All right. So the most votes go to Brianna. All right? And the social media challenge. Who's that go to?
Ask Bruce, please. He gave you the paper.
Bruce, the social media challenge. Who that goes to? Yeah, but as I say most vote and social media challenge.
All right, so just decide what you're going to assign.